Today we're taking flight with the HoverAir X1 Pro and Pro Max, the newest drones that pack a ton of power and features into a design that's portable enough to slip into your pocket. Let's break it all down: features, performance, price, and who these drones are really for. The HoverAir X1 Pro and Pro Max are incredibly compact. Think the size of a smartphone when folded. They weigh under 250 grams, which means no FAA registration needed in most regions. Both models sport a sleek, minimalist design with foldable arms that make them easy to carry anywhere. The materials feel sturdy and premium, so while they're lightweight, they don't compromise on durability. Another area where these drones shine is their 4K Ultra HD cameras with advanced stabilization technology. Whether you're shooting in Pro or Pro Max, the footage is crisp, vibrant, and cinematic. The Pro Max steps it up with HDR recording and enhanced low-light capabilities, making it perfect for those sunset shots or nighttime cityscapes. Both models come with wide-angle lenses that deliver stunning perspectives, ideal for landscapes or dynamic action shots. Now, how these things actually fly. Both models are powered by AI-assisted flight modes that make flying intuitive, even for beginners. You've got features like auto-tracking, where the drone locks onto your subject and follows it smoothly, and orbit mode for those epic 360-degree shots. The Pro Max takes it further with extended battery life, up to 35 minutes of flight time, compared to 30 minutes on the Pro. Plus, they both have obstacle avoidance sensors, so you don't have to stress about crashes. One of the coolest things is obviously its gesture control. You can launch, land, and direct the drone with simple hand movements. No remote needed for quick shots. But if you're a pro, you'll love the app's advanced controls, which let you adjust settings like speed, camera angles, and flight modes. It's a win for beginners and experienced pilots alike. So, who are these drones for? If you're a content creator, traveler, or vlogger, the HoverAir X1 Pro and Pro Max are absolute game changers. They give you professional-grade footage without lugging around bulky gear. Plus, with their compact size and easy-to-use features, even casual users can get breathtaking aerial shots. The HoverAir X1 Pro comes in at around $599, while the Pro Max is slightly pricier at $749. Considering the premium features packed into both models, they're an incredible value compared to other drones in this range. No product is perfect, right? The smaller size means these drones aren't great for super windy conditions. They'll struggle a bit in heavy gusts. Also, while the Pro Max's HDR and low-light capabilities are impressive, they're not on par with top-tier pro drones like DJI's higher-end models. So what's the verdict? The HoverAir X1 Pro and Pro Max are absolute winners for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage without breaking the bank or their back. Compact, feature-packed, and beginner-friendly, these drones are ready to take your content to new heights, literally. If you're curious to learn more, hit the link in the description to check out where you can grab one.